future. Everybody say, I will create my future. Pakisabi sa katabi mo, itapik mo sa balikat, sa shoulder, at sabihin mo sa kanya, create your future. Can I give you one scenario, one future that's possible? Dalawang future nasa harapan niyo. The first future is this. This is a true story. Isang lola living with her daughter na kasi she cannot support herself. She was passing through the hallway of the house. She overheard her daughter in the kitchen talking to the kuya. Kuya, ikaw naman mag-alaga kay nanay. Ang mahal. Mahal ng gamot. Ikaw naman. My friends, if you were the mother and you overheard your daughter say that in the phone conversation, question, how would you feel? Hurt. Pabigat ka. That is very real. I want you to know that is very real if you do not do anything about your finances. Yes or no?
Yes.
There is another future. The other future is if you keep investing and changing and applying what you learned today, your future will be very different. What is that future? The future is you calling up your daughter, the lola that calls the daughter, anak, ano ang ginagawa ng apo ko this summer? Bakit lola? Iniisip ko, mag-Boracay tayo, ako tayo. Do you want this future? Is this possible? That you can become a multi-millionaire in your old age? It is possible. There are some of you who are 60 years old right now, and you're asking the question, is it too late? You know, you listen to the talk of Rex, it's very possible that because of all the advances right now, you can actually live a long life. If you live until 90, it's still 30 years. And so you do something about it. You act right now. Yes or no? But even if 60 ka na, and you're saying to yourself, talaga, will it still apply to me? Definitely it will apply to your children and grandchildren. Lead the way. Be the example. My two boys, they started investing in the stock market when they were 5 years old and 10 years old. And today they are millionaires. Do you want your children to be early millionaires? Start now. You make a decision. My friends, can I invite you to stand up? And we are going to now just thank the Lord today for what He has done. One more time, everybody say, I'm blessed. I am blessed. Yes. Come. Let us pray.